focus on the. And some like give Bunny problem. You see him around there, so I always give problem. But anyway, people, it's another edition of B News. And again, so me telling us that we have a special guest here.
Dwight.
Yes, Mr. Dwight. He's here. I don't know if food that I come that eat. That eat some chips. But anyway, we have Dwight here and we're gonna talk the things them. We're gonna talk the things them, me and Dwight. And the first thing we're gonna talk about is Dorraine Samuels.
Oh, Mrs. Samuels.
And it is so sad because it means that I watch the lady from my people. And I feel it fair. I feel it fair family them and our people them with TVJ, RJ, the whole works. The woman that work long, you know how long she work at TVJ?
I know other day I look funny and I look at me and say, no, so there's a woman like she not get old.
Everybody said that.
That's what I was saying. Like it shocked me. It really shocked me to be honest. Cause me I said this lady not get old for much years me I watch that woman and she not get old.
Remember one time me I pick me a go school ready for go school. Me I'll hear her on radio while me ready for go school. Me get big, she still up on TVs like she not move like. Oh my God.
And it's very shocking because like you see her this lady she look healthy and fine and that's why I say we don't know what one of people like you know. We don't know what one with people.
Because she come on TV and everything nice, everything and you think that she perfect and she have everything going on. We are human beings, guys. So we have to say may her soul rest in peace. We love her. We loved her because she did. And at the end of the day, the BLA production, everybody is sending out condolence to them. We empathize and we sympathize with her and the family. Guys, we love Dorraine Samuels.
We love her going to bed because she's been an inspiration to so many people. Like, trust me, like I want big woman in her business and it really hurt a lot of people to the core. And now that I recognize, like, Dorraine, big up yourself, rest in peace, mama.
Alright, we're not gonna really stay upon the story long because it's sad. Jesus, peace. Guys, okay, my cooking in the background while we are shoot. And if you don't hear the pots, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on. We don't have no time for the lady. Jussie Smollett. The last time we talked about Jussie Smollett, you know, just the familiar with Jussie Smollett?
Empire, you can't. Sure, we watch Empire, so you can't say Cookie on my idol, you know, I love Cookie got to bed. You say Taraji, you're a large girl, like me can't wait for you to act some movie with you.
Big up your nice clean self, Taraji P. Hansen.
So
and Hansen, you know, Hansen, Jamaican people talk about.
No, but you know, say recently though, me see the Jussie Smollett case, and I have something going on, and right now I just pray I see him to me go and I see him to me ear to like it really shocked me like to see him have 16 counts charges against him and like it just drops a bomb.
Exactly, and that's what we're talking about because the last time we had B News, we were talking about him being locked up and soon get locked up and he can get up to 20 years in a jail. And now me here say everything drop.
I mean I say that. No, me want to understand. Is it a trend when people have money and when we poor we have to live in a car? I watch you rich and famous.
So we black.
I saw they always treat black people, they treat everybody because I was like, he has so many, like when we even hear the news, the Chicago police don't come out for him, then talk to them have this in stage of 8 crime, right? And then like, which in, I don't know if it's true or false, but based on film thing, that's what he said, it wasn't true, but well, the judge speak fix, yeah.
Well, just pay off them 2 African they have some money. Sorry,
just to give me some money because right now I'm ready just something and do well with some more go back at university.
Right now we are dead for hungry. Right now white squalor kill me. And okay, now I don't cook for now.
Jussie Smollett.
But
how did you do it? How did you do it?
But with Jussie Smollett though, guys, I think it's smart. Guys, Siobhan is here. But anyways, let me continue back with the news. Jussie Smollett, I think him smart in a way. I'm do something. Him get off of the case. I want him to big up himself until him guilty. Then until him proven guilty, him innocent.
What kind of proven guilty and him gonna
yeah, let me say him gonna but the police them said though, them still gonna investigate further. So who knows whatever might stir up or whatever because the police them say them still gonna investigate.
But he say he stronger than the police them, so I guess God is working for
him.
We're not telling like just him want some yellow. Can some come give me because trust me, freedom.
So with foreign people, when time them say them investigate, they investigate, you know.
Yes.
Them not ramping up.
And for them judiciary system is totally different.
But big up Jussie Smollett. Big up your nice clean self. You're free and may God go with you. But at the end of the day, I feel like if you do something wrong and if you waste the police them time, you're supposed to guard your girl.
Because we they are innocent, they make innocent people look bad.
Exactly. And that me I said so. But anyways, pick up yourself, be tired, you know.
But based on everybody and whatever, because you realize Taraji come out recently and she was like, next, you know what I talk about.
This no stop talk about Taraji, you know.
That's my hideout.
This no stop talk about Taraji. Hey, I want to fight Taraji. This no stop talk about Taraji.
Okay, let's still come meet in the next future. Here, I'm waiting for you, honey bunny.
But we're going to move on to the next topic.
What's the next topic?
Spice.
Oh God, that's a big girl.
Spice, big up your lives, go easy!
No, Spice, you see, I go see that video and guess who is this? It's officially Humble Boy Dwight who tells you love forever.
Aww.
It's me. No, I love Spice because you know why I really love Spice? Spice I come from a very, very far place.
She come from Forfeiture.
And she's very creative, she's very, very innovative, and she take dancehall to another level.
Yeah,
me not go bias, like me give Caesar what due to them. Like Spice, I kill it. Like she's a female artist, we are keep it consistent throughout the game. And you know what? I love what she did recently, the crossover. Some people are going to bash her, you know, but guess what? You don't realize people's opinion don't really matter.
Promote herself.
Exactly, and she's creating opportunity for the young generation that is coming. And they don't really see that. Them just a bash the woman, bash the man. But Spice, you're large, big up your damn self.
But anyways, with Spice, what I wanted to talk about with Spice is the Love and Hip Hop thingy with Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. I've watched the show. I always watch it even before Spice.
White lady.
And I am so proud. Like me super proud of that woman and all these things.
And Spice, big up yourself to bring awareness to colorism.
Black hypocrisy and colorism.
Because I remember when me used to go to school or when me used to black, because you know when me did black, you know, people used to tell me me look big and ugly and me black and ugly, and you know me used to feel that base and you know me start bleed.
We still
I mean I tell you like if a new man sing black hypocrisy. What the word the name again?
Black hypocrisy.
See, I completely stop bleach because me not tell you like it's a very powerful song.
You see because of Spice even did up on the news, some American news.
Fox News, yeah, big up yourself, you come from Fox News, alive. No, sir, you know, so we Jamaican, we're very talented.
We're excited. We're excited for you, we're really happy because you are paved the way for young people. Right now, you're not in a no female league, you're in a male league right now.
You know, you just want she do it if she wants to do it like a man.
Yes.
Yeah, and she tell us that she's versatile.
Spice, every time I come on B News, I have to clap you. No, I can't keep my talk so.
Spice, and guess what? You get a second person to come talk about you on B News. Listen out for me. B News, large.
So, yes, Spice, continue to do what you're doing. Trust me, you're paving the way. No matter what, you'll have people talking about you. Good, bad, the better, the ugly, whatever. So, just continue doing you, continue to inspire, continue to do what you always do.
You know what I like about her too? She actually shows the greatness start within the mind. And because if she never have the greatness in her mind, what happen now should have make people deteriorate her from her dreams. And you know that's why I say you have a good mindset.
Exactly. Alright, so Bonnie and Okim, two of them always there behind the camera, guys. They were telling me that I have to talk about Mackerel official.
Mackerel! All these things.
You know, say with the news and them something there, it kind of steal out. But anyway, we're gonna talk about her since as once a month we are doing B News now instead of once a week because the production is very cheap.
So Mackerel now is taking over Instagram. The whole what I really want to understand, you know, like what I want for other people. So Mackerel, why remedy Mackerel? Oh, can I see it? And that's a remedy?
Yes. All these things.
Mackerel, I really want to know because you know even recently Mackerel come out and I see somebody make a post.
Me love people, man. Me love people, man. I want to with me. Me love people, man. And a good man, we left them good woman. They're cockroach like you.
Like recently, Mackerel, you know, so Mackerel really are going, you know, but everybody question is how long she gonna keep it up front. How long she gonna keep going on the business, like if she gonna be consistent. Because you know, keep people man gonna get out of star sooner or later.
Yeah.
Because and everybody are going to you about take people man.
Yeah.
Also people husband.
Yeah, it's true. But at the end of the day, if she have good management, it can last.
Yes.
But if she don't have good management, then you'll have problem because you need good management.
And not only good management, you know, it's about something she did really want from she pick me, and it really cause.
But she said she always like acting.
Well, probably this is her chance because everybody's story different. So probably stuff here a big breakthrough. She have to just make sense with it.
Yeah.
And she have to just use the platform in her right way. You know, say even next 5 years, we're still there.
Yeah. Even with the Jenny interview, guys, she was up in her bra saying that Jenny called her a prostitute.
But to be honest, I think Jenny is a more bigger woman. So even if a person, you know, she feel blast her like that, like she has the behavior. I have to know this is modern time, and you know this generation are different from the older generation because it's like a cycle. Yeah. And back in them days, we never know how them used to want. Cause most of them not like be truthful about themselves and then be real. So we are be real and authentic. Yeah. And that's the issue that society really have a problem with.
True.
I have to be a real and authentic self. Cause nobody not like you have to come and you have to be somebody else and then later on you can
everybody else is already taken, so just be yourself.
Exactly. And a modern time now cannot on our eye again.
But with that being said, guys, we don't have much time. The final thing that we're going to talk about, we're going to close off with on Mackerel, that we wish her luck, we wish her prosperity because she's a young female. She has
a story.
Yes, she's a young female. And when I'm a young female and you depend easy in Jamaica, I tell you no.
Mackerel not 100, Mackerel are just 18.
Exactly, so she still have her whole life ahead of her and she's allowed to make mistakes. She's allowed to make mistakes because
we all make mistakes.
Worse in our teenage years. So, we want to big up Mackerel official. She do her thing, she make her money. Even if she not take people man and she says she take people man, make she say she take
she just get the people what them want.
Exactly.
She just get the people.
Big up your nice queen self. Moving on to that. It's Champs weekend, guys. It's Champs weekend.
Who you rooting for?
Boy, me a root for my high school in their country.
Herbert Morrison.
It's Champs weekend and you know in a Kingston when a Champs weekend, you know, so they're excited and then go on with beer something. Because them go on like say Jamaica College alone today and a Calabar alone. So you know say it's either Jamaica College or Calabar in a Kingston. You understand what I say?
I have
them not talk about the girls school, them not talk about the girls.
No man,
Edwin Allen and Homewood. I hope Homewood them near me so that one they made a road for.
I don't have nobody at Kingston, so all I'm going to be a Carnival College or Herbert Morrison straight.
Same way, till death do you guys part. So, big up all of the school them wake up at Champs. No for the young girl them are going to look man this evening and no for the man them are going to look young girl this evening. On a Champ this evening. Yeah. Champs weekend, you have to big up on a nice piece of all of the young people them.
And you come like, you know see what going on last night after Champs? You know see the big old shooting?
Oh yeah. Like, God, right up there, so, oh my God, some famous big shot people. I don't want to get involved in them logics there, but yeah.
But me like for the young people, them are just still, I just like for them just use them talent and just utilize.
Yes. Big up all the people for Champs.
And big up to the winning team.
Yes, we don't know who win it because we had done that video here before we find out
so we the winner do it.
So if a Calabar win, happy congratulations Calabar, and if a JC win, congratulations to JC. If a Carnival win, congratulations. If a Ed win,
Kingston.
If a Edwin Allen win, big up on a nice queen self. If a Homewood win, on a big up on a nice queen. Alberton now win nothing on now. I'm a school that you know, and you know them. So we stay now with Bashment one. But through our own only we alone can do it. No other somebody can Bashment one school. But anyways.
So this is Dwight and Monique.
Yes, this is Dwight and this is Monique. I want to big up on the nice
reporting live for B News.
Yes, we're leaving now, guys. Have a good weekend or whenever I get that video here coming. I don't know when Mr. Bunny him going to put it up. But I want to big up on the nice things. I'm going to look for my baby father at jail. He's out.
Okay.
Yeah, hear it nice? Okay. The truck, but I want to find where. But I think we're done. But we're finished. Good. So with the Champ situation, we have to big up all of the young people them. And we want to we don't have to talk about that. You might remember about Beanie Man. You don't have to listen to Bonita. No, serious. You don't have to listen to him.
Okay.
That are bloopers. You don't have to listen to him.